I'm just about to replace the battery in this Mazda key. This is a Mazda 6 2015 onwards model, I believe. This is a 2017 model that this key will be used in, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is turn it around, and if you see this button here, you flick that down and that releases the actual key part of it. So you take that out, and if you just look along here, you can see the area where it splits. So just along that particular part is where you want to separate, and I'm going to go to the top side, which will be hidden by this part to start. So I have a very slim screwdriver. Just slide it along. And there you go. So if you slide it along, you'll find that you won't do any massive, would say, dents or damage to the edging if you just slide along and then twist. So that is the key opened. It's under here, as you can see right there. It tells you what the battery number is, CR2025. Pop that up, and it's a Panasonic CR25. So I'm going to replace that now. So the new battery is now in, and it's just fit back together, nice and simple. Press it all together. You hear the click. Slide the key back in, and the job is done. And that is it, job done. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.